Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure core prerequisites are satisfied: updates, connection, and permissions. Once done, clear the app cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files, and force restart Google Maps so settings reload cleanly. While you wait, check that location permission is set to allow only while using the app, and that background data is allowed. Do this now to eliminate the most common software causes, because many issues resolve immediately after a clean start. Next, you tackle deeper causes. Recalibrate the GPS by waving the device in a figure 8. Set location mode to high accuracy so Wi-Fi and cell towers supplement GPS. Once done, download offline maps for the area to rule out streaming problems and test routing. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app, then sign out and back into your Google account to refresh account-linked data. Make sure map layers and traffic are enabled, because hidden toggles often change behavior. To finish, run a short navigation test to verify routing, voice directions, and lane guidance work together. If connectivity or stale tiles remain, reset network settings and reboot the device to clear persistent network glitches. Once complete, verify offline map updates and battery saver exceptions so the app isn't restricted. If the problem continues, report it through the app with screenshots and exact steps. And as a key troubleshooting tip, make sure system location services are enabled globally and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.